back, my viewers. Thank you for joining me again. This is Zimbo Culture. We are back to bringing you the basic Zimbabwean dishes for the benefit of those that may be interested in tasting Zimbabwean cuisine, but may not have had the experience or someone passing down that knowledge to you. So welcome back. Today we are doing vegetables with tomatoes and onion. Remember from my previous videos, if you have been watching, I did a video of plain vegetables without any tomatoes or spices, but today I decided to bring you the same version but with the tomatoes. But the biggest question for some people is, how do you make the vegetables stay green? I always say I love my vegetables green. It preserves the nutrition and it's colorful to the eyes, it's appetizing as well. So I'm going to show you how you do this without your vegetables turning brown, and make sure that you still get the same nutrients despite adding the acid from the tomatoes. So I've added my oil. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes and my onion at the same time. I'm going to add my vegetables at the same time. So for those who can get kale, you can use kale instead of this covo. I'm going to add salt. So I realized that the cooking oil was not enough, so I added more. Now I have to stir. Remember, I said in my previous video, you need to keep stirring the vegetables so that they don't brown. And remember, we added acid in the form of tomatoes. I'm not a scientist, guys, so don't ask me why I keep saying there's acid in tomatoes. Someone told me that. But look, the tomatoes are green, giving that, nice color to the vegetables. Keep stirring. I've realized that these vegetables are now, very, they are found now in the streets, in different corners. So just try it out, don't limit yourself. A lot of Zimbabweans are selling this in South Africa. So just try them out. They're very nice, a good substitute to spinach and cabbage and carrots and so on. you don't know how to cut, refer to my other videos, or alternatively you can ask those ladies who are selling these vegetables to cut for you. I'm sure for 5 rand they can do it. They can do it for you. Okay, I didn't put any spices. I'm not going to. But if you prefer spicy food, you can add at this point. But I just want this close to natural, or as natural as possible. Just using 8 ingredients, except the salt for this case. You can enjoy it with your rice, If you're on a vegetarian diet, you can use this with your rice, with your pap, your potatoes, and so on. You know, my mother used to say, I don't want your vegetables because they are too green. So if you're cooking for the older generation, you may need to leave this on the stove for a little while. They actually prefer it brown or overcooked because they may have challenges chewing. But this is what I prefer personally. Thank you for watching. This brings us to the end of this video. Please subscribe, like, comment. If you've tried this, let me know what you think. But this is the final product. Like I always say, I like my vegetables green. It always preserves the nutrients. But also, when you cook this with love, it's always nice. Thank you and goodbye.